Connecting Printful to Squarespace allows you to sell custom print-on-demand products through your Squarespace website. Here's a step-by-step guide to set it up. Create accounts. Sign up for accounts on both Printful and Squarespace if you haven't already. Access Squarespace dashboard. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your site's dashboard. Install Printful integration. Go to the settings panel, then click on extensions. Search for Printful and install the integration. This will allow Squarespace to connect with Printful. Connect Printful to Squarespace. After installation, open the Printful app within your Squarespace dashboard. You'll be prompted to log into your Printful account to authorize the connection. Create products on Printful. In the Printful dashboard, select Stores and choose your Squarespace store. Click Add Product to browse Printful's catalog and customize products with your designs. Publish products to Squarespace. Once you've designed your products, click Add to Store to sync them with your Squarespace site. You can adjust product details like descriptions and pricing. Manage orders. When customers place orders, Printful will automatically fulfill and ship them directly, allowing you to focus on marketing your store.